Here's how to set up this Ozito bandsaw. First we're going to start with the rubber feet and the stabilising bar. Just turn the bandsaw on its side so you can access the base easier. Grab a rubber foot and a hex head bolt. Slip the hex head bolt through the bottom, then mount it in the hole here. Grab a nut and a washer, finger tighten it up, and then grab a spanner to do the rest. Now the rubber feet are on, we move on to the rear stabilising bar. Insert it into the two holes in the base. Grab your hex key, nuts, washer and bolt. Align your stabilising bar to match the holes in the base with the stabilising bar. Bolt through. Put a washer on. And then you're locking up. Do the same on the other side of the bar. Grab your hex key and tighten them up. We've got the bottom of our bandsaw set up. We need to move into the table. Carefully stand it up. Grab your table and some mounting bolts and away we go. Carefully get the blade to slide between the slot and the base. Grab your small locking knob and a washer. Just do it up finger tight. Grab your second locking knob and washer and align with your next hole. To tighten it, pull the knob out, back around. Keep doing this until you get nice and tight. Grab the metal piece, place it underneath. Get one of these bolts. Pop it in. Then grab a wing nut and just tighten it up underneath. Now it's time to grab the ripping fence and just simply put it on. Now we've got it fully assembled. And if you need to know how to align or change the blade, follow the links.